we are here to tell you about our chickens and our ducks. My name is Nolan and I'm going to tell you a little bit about some chicks.
These are black astrolorps. They lay brown eggs, and these ones are straight runs. These are Wyandottes. They lay large brown eggs. They are pullets, and they are also very good for the farm.
Good free range.
This is a bantam chick. When they're chicks and adults, they're smaller than normal chicks. They're really good insect control. They're straight runs, and they have really good free range.
These are the ducks that we got for our farm. These ones we saved and rescued. And let me tell you the story. Our grandpa went to Tractor Supply, and we found these. Somebody dropped them, and we found these all over in the cold snow at the parking lot. So he picked them all up and let us take them to Remnant Farms and Sons, and that is how we got these ducks. This one is a Pekin duck. It is yellow right now, but it will turn white when it grows up, and they lay large white eggs, and they are great. Ducks. They have beautiful markings and they're wonderful. One way to tell the difference between boy and girl ducks at their grown-up age is to look at their tails. If it is curled, then you can tell that is a boy. If it's not, that is a girl. Also, the girls have a much longer quack than the boys do. Before you go to Tractor Supply and buy chicks and ducklings, there's something that we need to tell you. There is a difference between straight runs and pullets. Pullets, that tells you that they are just hens. And straight runs, they can either be hens or roosters.
Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe from Remnant Farm and Sons.